know your perfect portion of the best abilities. Shires Kakodash to feel like Israel there to get pushed them toward the truth of how much shy being those scriptures and learn sufficient to Mars to save like Israel there. We just Judges 5:11. So here, they the most urges, but I want there's the first acts of the shy, whereas acts towards time which Israel. So we're going to gaze, I'm going to gaze the nobles, being gaze through how we shy. Being his spirit, scriptures quickening us, bringing life back into whom the elect Israel there again. Matthews 13, 7:13. There you go. 7 and 13. As we write in Christ speaking, so here both empty and straight gate, west gate, and broad destruction. And may be both because she narrow. 14. She narrow. So in life we find it. In the first straight gate is talking about the whom does Israel. Some Azures 7:7. Bring the type of walk diligently every day until the end of the book of your spirit. Here the entrance is so narrow, there sentence would fall. Like I said, it's far right hand, like the watchers. And only one between them both, even between the fire and the water. So small, like a tightrope. There, one man go there at once. And on that tightrope, walk up the bounds. Isaiah 13:6, being spiritual, being the quickening element to my like Israel there. And so scan the spirit scriptures, how we Shakakudash, and life unto whom the elect Israel there. First was Israel there, meaning the what? The first dogs, the chosen first fruits, who want salvation and dash from them shy. So here, and wisdom not supposed to be good times, and strength was supposed to be fear of them shy. It's a treasure. That balance, that type of walking, got balance it out with what? It's wisdom transgressions can't ever like Israel that person to read at the book of life, which is 1 verse 3 to end off with. So here, blessed he readeth, may he for prophecy keep those things which written from the hand. The hand for great destruction and cultivation for whom that like Israel, for being first Israel. That's how I can all go out, because everyone is going to be born, scan, definitely struggling with the control.